Hi everyone, I'm just driving back to my home from work. So right now I'm planning to buy a Jollibee chicken. Wait in the lines to go inside?
Is that right?
No, just have to go and...
Oh yeah. The only way you can place your order
Okay, thank you. Right, so just came here to order food from Jollibee. The Filipino chicken, that how it's gonna be tasted. So I'll give you an update from that.
Hi sir.
Just waiting for...
For pickup?
No, to ordering.
The only way you can order is to call us there.
From there?
Yes, the phone number here.
Okay, sorry about that. Pick up right now.
So, are you already outside of the store?
Yes, I am outside of the store.
The earliest time that we could give you is 12:45 p.m.
12:45 p.m. Okay, it's okay, I can wait. So I'll go
What's
home
your-
and I'll come back again for 12:45.
What's your order?
I just want to order Jolly Crispy Chicken Bucket 3D.
D?
Yeah, 3D, D for dog.
D for dog, right?
Yeah.
So, what's your sides?
I just want to get sides 3 fries, 1 mashed potatoes, and 1 corn.
1 mashed potato and 1 corn.
And also, I would like to.
Spicy or regular?
Sorry?
Spicy or regular?
Spicy, okay?
Okay. All spicy?
Yeah. Just make 5 spicy and 5 regular, please.
Anything else?
And I would like to order Jolly Spaghetti.
The regular spaghetti?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else?
That's everything.
Okay.
Okay.
Total is $55.35.
All right. How should I pay you? Like, I have to come inside or like?
So you're gonna come in front of the door, you're gonna talk to the person in front, and
Okay.
you're gonna say your name,
Okay.
and then if the food is already ready, you're gonna come in and pay your order.
All right. Thank you. Then I'll come around like 12:45. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Hi guys, it's May and Dash once more, along with Hanush. Today we're eating Jollibee. So we got a couple of things from Jollibee. So what's happening at Jollibee is when you go there, they have a number posted on their window for you to call and place an order for whatever you want, and then they'll give you a time slot to pick it up. The wait time is about 25 minutes. Dash ordered about at about 12:15, and then he came straight home, showered. Then I went and picked it up around 12:45 today. A combo really, with 10 pieces of their spicy chicken and 5 sides, which came with the 2 fries, the corn, the sweet corn, and the mashed potato. And then they gave us a side of gravy for the chicken as well. We also got a side order of spaghetti. Apparently their spaghetti is really popular, so thought we would give that a try. The dessert, what we have is their mango peach pie. It apparently is amazing, so we need to try it. And oh yeah, last but not least is their pineapple quencher. I've heard good reviews about that too. As you may already guys know, Jollibee is not from Canada, it's from the Philippines. I think they opened it up just recently, or a couple of years or months ago, in Canada, specifically Toronto. I think there's 2 or more locations in Toronto, Apparently it's very popular in the Philippines. Oh my god. The fries are awesome. They're not exactly McDonald's fries, but they're pretty similar, and I love McDonald's fries, so I mean it's very thin if you see it. I hate the wedges types of fries or wedges. This is exactly my type. Okay, I'm gonna dig into the chicken. We ordered 10 spicy or 10.
He wants it.
Okay, you want it, baby? Okay, I'm gonna give you a piece, okay? We ordered 10 spicy chicken, but they put 3 like non-spicy chicken, probably because they ran out of it.
Only they put 8 pieces?
10.
So we ordered 10, right?
But they gave us 3 like regular chicken, not spicy. Very crispy, very nice. I love it. It's actually even, I think, slightly better than Popeyes. Popeyes is like one of my favorites.
Okay. The fries, it's a bit soggy now, that I would say, because it's been a while that we took it from there. But the tasty wise is amazing, perfect salt and everything is in there. I had a spicy chicken. The spicy chicken, this one is a regular spicy.
I think it's spicy, isn't it?
Let me try the taste of the spicy.
Yeah, tastes good, Hannah? Tastes good?
And try the juicy part. What I like this about this chicken, outside is very crispy. It's really, really crispy. But inside is juicy and tender.
It's tender, right?
Yeah.
It's not dry. Like Popeyes outside is crispy, but when you get inside to it, it's dry.
Yeah, it's a bit dry. So compared to Popeyes, it's 1,000 times better than Popeye. But for the KFC,
yeah, I forgot about KFC. Nothing really beats
nothing beat KFC chicken.
That's true.
Look at the view. We are on the way to Bradford, so if you see both sides, you can see the beauty of Canada.
And the beauty of the north.
Yeah.
So we've found the neighborhood where the nice big mansions are. So we're gonna just take you to that area. I'm not sure if I can get it. I'm gonna speed up a bit, Dash. Because we're gonna take a left on this.
From here left?
Yeah, this one. Yes. And this is, so it's called Nottingham Forest Road. You want to put it right on the steering wheel here?
It's okay, you can see in this.
So, because this has the better view though. Look, the view is crazy here. So that's the view you get. With these, no, just no, keep it quiet. This is the view you get with the nice big houses. This is why I think we all fell in love with Bradford initially. These houses were so big, and the view is just amazing. But of course, we didn't live in, and my parents still don't live in this kind of a house, but it's just beautiful. It's something, this would cost millions and millions of dollars elsewhere, but here they can get it for a fraction of the price. Just look at how lovely this is. Like, you can't beat this. Huh? Yeah, so you'll see that every house I think is custom built, right? For sure. Because they're
most of the houses custom built?
No, not really. I don't think the average Joe can afford a custom built house. See? Yeah, it's lovely. So yeah, this is, just look at it. Like, I would love a house like this, but I wouldn't want to live in it. I would just like to have it as something like an investment. Yeah, it's amazing. So this is a roundabout. We're just gonna do it. Oh, this is my favorite, I think. It's so beautiful. Just look at these houses. Look at how much space they have, right? Like, I'm pretty sure they're not feeling too isolated during this time. They have so much land to do whatever they want, I guess. So Dash, this is like your dream house or dream neighborhood, right?
Bigger than this.
Oh, you want something bigger than this? Okay. For the 4 of us, I don't think we need something this big, but, and when I say 4, I mean our next kid as well, whenever that happens. But
it's very mind relaxing. It's so beautiful. This is Canada.
a part of Canada. The part's really where a lot of people don't see.
They have a, what is it? How to go there?
I'm not sure. I didn't see it. See, this is the part people don't see. You see a lot of the snow and the bears and whatnot, but we have these things as well. And I think just coming up north, you'll get to see a lot of this. Hey guys, we're almost home. We're just gonna sign off now. We're still finishing off our coffee, and I think we'll be home in about 10 minutes.